Okay, tonight another one off of my list. This one is Quran Elam, and I apologize if I have mispronounced it, but I did do a little search on it, and I believe that is a correct pronunciation. Quran Elam. And the performance was done on May 1st, the Unity of Nations Day in Kazakhstan, uh, not to be confused with United Nations Day, which is in October. But in Kazakhstan, May 1st is celebrated as a day of unity for the people. It's a holiday to promote understanding among the 100 different nationalities and ethnic groups that reside in the country. And it's marked by various festivals, parades, concert, cultural events, showing the various traditions and heritages of these groups of people that make up Kazakhstan. And it began in 1995 by a presidential decree, and it was to replace the former Soviet era Labor Day celebration, which was the May Day celebration. And part of it, they encourage interaction and understanding between the different nationalities on there and the different languages and the different foods that they have. So that's a little bit background on the occasion. And now we're going to listen to the song itself that Dimash performed for that.
Жанарымда жас бар ма? Тамшы тамса жазған ба? Елімді сүйіп көтердім биік алақанымды аспанға. Сынық түспей әліңе бұл өмірдің мәніне сандар шыңдайды, шыңдар сынбайды, уақыт ем болар бәріне. Qairan benim tuğan şerim, aman bol elim, ғасырлардай мәңгі соқсын сенің жүрегің, жалғыз сол ғана тілерім. Ұмытылсын қайғы мұң, жарқырасын ай күнім, шаттансын әр үй, қуансын сәби, тілеймін әлем саулығы. Qairan benim tuğan şerim aman bol elim hasırlar daimen ki soğsun senin yüreğin şalgı solğana tellerim Qairan menin tuğan şerim aman bol elim hasırlar daimen ki soğsun senin yüreğin şalgı solğana tellerim Qairan menin tuğan şerim aman bol elim hasratlar daimen ki soğsun senin yüreğin şalgı solğana tellerim aman bol elim hasırlar daimen ki soğsun senin yüreğin şalgı solğana tellerim aman olsun tuğan yer.
Beautiful song. I love the sentiment in it, and having it played, and believe if I read it correctly, also written by one of his best friends, one that he calls his brother. Excellent, excellent song. One that I will listen to again. Maybe I'll put it on my calendar for May 1st here to listen to. But I like the idea behind that, and it kind of made me think of here in the United States, that we are a melting pot of different nationalities. The thing that we are missing somewhat here is that public or community recognition of all the traditions of the various nationalities that make up the United States. We do have some in some regions where they'll have the festivals and that, but I wish it was more widespread on that we would celebrate our differences. And with that, I am going to say farewell for now, with one little PS. Pretty soon, I am going to be entering my 80th year on this planet. And I would certainly like to celebrate my birthday by seeing a few more subscribers and a few more comments on my videos, positive or negative, as long as they are not rude comments. One can always learn from honest critiques of there. And again, suggestions for other artists from around the world that I could get to know. And with that, I will end this. Peace, everyone.